Hello YouTube, it's me again. This video is about welding pliers. No, I'm not a professional welder. I'm not a professional anything except you probably am a professional bullshitter, or talker. But anyway, I got these cheap welding pliers. They're like 10 bucks. See, they're kind of sticky now because of the oil and stuff, and probably should lube the goddamn things. See, oop, lube. So anyway, they're thin thing here, you know, got the little banging and stuff. Well, anyway, I was bored and online. I picked up a set of strong hand tools, MIG pliers. Well, what's so good about these? I'll show you. What is so good about these? Well, let me show you here if I can get them out of the bag. These ones come with a chain on them, for one. Fancy chain. They come with instructions. They come with a little booklet that I can't reach in the bag. I'll show you the booklet. I'll get this out of here. Oh, come on. Holy Toledo. Shit. Get it in the bag. Here we go. We don't need the bag anymore. Anyway, it comes with a book. But anyway, if you look at the difference on here. Look at the difference. This apparently is for chopping slag there. It's got grinder on this side and on this side. You can a little tip thing here. It's got cutters, but look at the meat size. Like, look, which one do you think's made better? The tips on my old ones bent. These ones are just like, this one's just potatoes. This one's meat and potatoes. But even the it's got the nozzle thing here. There's a whole. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you the video. See the instructions. Take a look. Hit pause and take a look at this. It shows you what all of it's for. And on the back, there's a place to write your name. But yeah, there's a V-notch in the front. V-notch in the front. A fine file for filing. A scraper. This is also for scraping the ends inside the nozzle. Stick it inside the nozzle. There's a chip corner here, so you can chip stuff. There's a flat hammer, and this is for taking the nozzle off. Basically, it's premium pliers. The other things they have, I'm not sponsored by Strong Hand Tools, but I own a few of their tools, and I'll have to say, you guys make some great tools. I can't afford the magnets, but they look really cool. They have the corner pipes here. They also have the smaller magnets. I own the smaller magnets. I don't have the third hand. I have one or two of their table clamps in this thing. So a really good company and make really good products. I have no idea where the hell they're made because it doesn't say anything in here in what part of the world it's made, but it says Strong Hand Tools. So if you want good tools, they're not very expensive. This wasn't no $50 tool. Good part too is you can click it on your machine and it stays there, so you don't lose it. So yeah, my little plug for Strong Hand Tools. Excellent quality tools. And again, like, it's laser engraved, so in 50 years, nobody's gonna know who the hell made this, except for if they find a catalog somewhere. So maybe stamp your name in it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Check out my shorts. I got some pretty cool ones.